Bird Hills Nature Area is the largest natural area in the city at 146 acres. Its hilly woods are a sanctuary for hikers. You can access Bird Hill from various locations, the main entrance at Newport Road, as well as Bird Hill Road and Beechwood Drive. A network of trails allows the opportunity to spend hours hiking through beautiful, forested areas or just a few minutes to appreciate nature. The area is closed to bicycles to prevent damage from erosion. No facilities are available in this undeveloped natural area. The unpaved trails wind through hills and ravines covered with beech, sugar maple, flowering dogwood, oaks and hickory, and various spring wildflowers. Other areas have been planted with various trees not native to our area. For more information, visit a2gov.org/parkfinder.